Hey guys, so a friend of mine was having troubles with OBS, and I figured that since I'm going to be showing him how to do this, I might as well show you guys how to do this as well. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Windows Security, or Windows Defender is the same thing. This is on Windows 11, by the way, in case you're curious. So what we're going to do is we're going to firewall and network protection. We're going to allow an app through firewall, and you're going to see this lovely list here, just a sea of stuff. It may be longer or shorter depending on what you have on your computer. What we're going to do is you're going to hit change settings. We're going to allow another app. And this is supposed to be kind of blank, so this is normal. Next, we're going to go to Browse. And now, what we're going to do is find out where the OBS is at. So in order to do that, start, since this is Windows 11, it's a little different, but essentially your start's going to look like this on Windows 10 as well. Find out where OBS is. We're going to right click it, open file location. Since this is here, we're going to do the fastest way possible, which is click up here. So this is essentially kind of like the same as using the address bar on a web page. So we're going to do copy, which I did Control C. Then we're going to come up here. You're going to do Control V. Those are the quickest ways to do those. Then we're going to go to here. This will show OBS. You want to hit Open. This will show up on the list. And then you hit Add. And it'll show on the list here. And then this is allowing the app either through a private connection or a public connection. You can do both, but as long as public's open, it's fine. Otherwise, you just hit OK, and then close out of everything, and that is how you add OBS to your Windows Defender, so that you don't have to close out Defender itself every single time you want to use it. So I hope this helps you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody!